Connecting eDee to YSoft SAFEQ. This video walks through connecting eDee to your YSoft SAFEQ license. eDee cannot operate without YSoft SAFEQ 6. If you don't have the latest SAFEQ version, you should update it before proceeding. eDee automatically detects your network once the Ethernet cable is plugged in. The network address is displayed in the upper left-hand corner of the printer's terminal tray. Select Network from the Service menu to manually configure the network if desired. In the SAFEQ dashboard, select Devices, then select the Add Devices button. Fill in all the required fields. Use the Terminal Type drop-down menu to select eDee. Save your changes. SAFEQ will begin to remotely configure the eDee printer and reinstall the terminal application to ensure the most recent firmware is used. A confirmation message will be displayed upon a successful terminal application install. Your eDee printer is now connected to YSoft SAFEQ.